guys, are you planning to visit Guwahati anytime soon and you're extremely confused where you should be staying in? Don't worry, we've got you completely covered. In this video, we're going to be bringing you to the top 10 best budget hotels in Guwahati with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. We've also compiled a list of the best hotels near the airport in Guwahati and you can also check out that link in our description box below.
Vishwaratna Hotel. This hotel offers all the amenities and luxuries that you may need for a comfortable yet memorable stay in the Northeast. This hotel is a great option to pick if you have a certain budget in mind. The hotel is centrally located, which is very near to the railway station. Public transportation is really easy from this hotel. It is also completely accessible for you to explore all the city's attractions and activities. This is one of the few budget-friendly hotels which has a swimming pool where you can just unwind and relax. They have a rooftop banquet hall which is quite huge and it is absolutely perfect for hosting any type of celebrations or functions. This hotel also has an in-house salon and spa where you can just go and pamper yourselves. The rooms here are extremely spacious and you can enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. Some of the rooms here also have an option of a private bathtub. Pricing of the rooms here start from 3,000 rupees onwards and you can select them according to your budget depending upon the category of room that you choose. Signet in Repose. This hotel is located right in the heart of the city, making it completely accessible for its guests to step out and explore the beauty around while shopping. The hotel has an in-house gym which is perfect for all you fitness conscious people. They also have an in-house restaurant which serves Asian, Indian and Chinese cuisine. They also have a beautiful banquet hall which is perfect for hosting any type of functions or celebrations. They also have an in-house meeting room where you can host any type of meetings or conferences. This hotel is perfect for business travelers and also for those people who are visiting Guwahati as a tourist. They have super elegant rooms that offer utmost comfort and satisfactions for their guests. This hotel has different categories of rooms available and you can select them according to your budget. The pricing of the rooms here start from 3,000 rupees onwards. Hotel Silk Road. The Silk Road is one of the most budget-friendly hotels in Guwahati which offer amazing services and facilities to their guests to make sure that you have a memorable stay. It is an ideal place for your vacation if you want to create some unforgettable memories. This hotel blends with the sophistication with the local art and culture very well. This is one of the good value for money accommodations in Guwahati. The food served at this restaurant is absolutely delicious. This hotel also has an in-house banquet hall which is perfect for hosting any kind of small celebrations or functions. The hotel rooms here are extremely spacious. The beds are super soft and comfortable. All the rooms here are extremely well equipped. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,400 rupees onwards, which is an amazing deal for the services that they offer. The Contour Hotel. This 3-star budget-friendly hotel is located near the railway station in Paltan Bazaar. They offer upscale lodging and has modern-day amenities like the spa, fine dining and the gym. All these modern-day amenities are enough to soothe your mind and soul during your holiday. Since the hotel is located in the city center, it makes it completely accessible for you to explore this beautiful city. The hotel has different categories of rooms available. The pricing starts from 3,000 rupees onwards. All the rooms here are extremely comfortable, spacious and they're very well equipped. To get the best deals on this hotel stay, you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Lilavati Grand. For those of you who are short on budget and very high on hopes, this is one of the best hotels that you must pick during your stay in Guwahati. It offers 5-star-like facilities at a really cheap price and it's easily accessible from both the railway station and the airport. They provide amazing services and facilities to their guests and make sure that you have a memorable stay. The staff here is extremely helpful and knowledgeable. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a TV, a wardrobe, a separate seating area and also a private balcony where you can enjoy the beautiful city views. You also have a separate cubicle for your shower. Pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they offer. The pricing starts from 1,500 rupees onwards and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below.
If you find this information helpful, please drop us a like button and show us your support. You can also subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and for more travel tips. We'd also love to welcome you to our exclusive travel club. This travel club is going to give you some amazing promos, deals and also some exciting giveaways. If you'd like to avail any of these, a detailed information about how you can join the travel club is given at the end of the video, so make sure that you watch it. Now don't go away, we still have 5 of the best budget hotels left to go which might be interesting.
Hotel Prague Continental. This hotel is situated in Fancy Bazaar, which is a perfect place to explore Guwahati and its surroundings. It is just about 1 kilometer away from the city center, which makes it easy and quick for you to access and reach as many local points of interest. It is a one-stop destination for top quality accommodation in Guwahati. They have an amazing in-house spa where you can just unwind and relax yourselves, a 24-hour coffee shop, an in-house restaurant which also provides a 24-hour room service. They also have an in-house bar where you can enjoy different types of cocktails. They also offer all services and essential amenities for their guests like a 24-hour front desk, a 24-hour security service, luggage storage, housekeeping. The rooms here are super comfortable. If you're visiting Guwahati on your honeymoon and looking out for a budget-friendly hotel, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend. Some of the rooms also have an option of a spacious bathtub. Pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they offer. The pricing starts from 2,500 rupees onwards. If you wish to book this hotel, you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Hotel Athithi. If you're looking for a chic budget hotel in Guwahati, this is the right place for you. It is a 3-star hotel located in Paltan Bazaar, which is the heart of the city. It makes it completely accessible for you to explore all the town's attractions and activities. They have one of the most amazing banquet halls where you can host any type of celebration or functions. The in-house restaurant here provides Indian, Chinese and local cuisine. The food here is absolutely mouth-watering and delicious. This hotel offers you stylish rooms with heartwarming hospitality. The staff here is extremely friendly and helpful. Over and above, they offer unique accommodation options with pocket-friendly values. They have different categories of rooms available, starting from the executive room to a suite. The pricing of the rooms here start from 3,800 rupees and you can select them according to your budget. Hotel SJ International. This is an extremely budget-friendly hotel located in Paltan Bazaar, which is the center of the city. Public transport is very easily accessible from this hotel and it's also very close to all the tourist attractions and activities. This is a great place to stay during a trip to the northeast if you wish to be surrounded by the local lifestyle and cultures. They offer a plush multi-cuisine restaurant and a retro bar and extremely elegant rooms with trendy decor. The king-size beds here are quite huge and comfortable. Most of the rooms here come with a separate seating area. The pricing of the rooms here start from 1,800 rupees onwards and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. The Landmark Hotel. This is a budget-friendly hotel located in Paltan Bazaar which offers the spectacular views of the busy, beautiful city. It also offers serene views of nature and sports at the Nehru Stadium. This hotel is perfect for those who want to stay like the local and experience the local lifestyle. This is one of the few budget-friendly hotels in Guwahati which has an in-house salon which is perfect to pamper yourselves. The Nehru Stadium is just very close to the hotel, which is one of the main attractions of the city. They have an in-house fine dining multi-cuisine restaurant here which serves amazing food. All the rooms here are very well equipped and extremely well furnished with trendy decor. This hotel has different categories of rooms available. The pricing of the rooms here start from 2,900 rupees onwards. If you wish to book this hotel, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Hotel Nandan. This hotel is known as one of the best budget hotels near the railway station. It is a 2-star hotel located in Paltan Bazaar, which is the center of the city, and it makes it completely accessible for you to explore the city's attractions and activities. This hotel offers a lovely experience to their guests like none other, and the hospitality here is counted as one of the best in the industry. The services are also very well admired by their guests since the last 3 decades. This hotel is a great place to pick for your holiday stay. They have an amazing rooftop restaurant where you can enjoy the beautiful city view and also enjoy the sunset views. The rooms here are quite spacious and comfortable, and you can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. If you're looking out for a budgeted hotel with quality services and hospitality, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend. Pricing of the rooms here start from 3,500 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below.
Given a choice of a free hotel stay, which of these hotels would you like to stay in? Let us know in the comment section below. You can also find the detailed information about how to join the travel club, and that information can be viewed right here. We wish you a safe and an amazing stay in Guwahati.